we're going to have a look at future value annuities. Now this is where you get a large sum of money and you're going to keep drawing down on that money until it runs out. So imagine you've just won $750,000 in the lottery, you quit your job and you decide to live off it for the rest of your life. You put it into an account that pays 4.5% compounded quarterly. How much can you withdraw out of the account? So how much we're finding PMT each week if you want the money to last 40 years. So let's put in some values. N is 40 years. How many periods? 52 each year. The interest rate was 4.5. We have $750,000. It's in the bank, so it's a negative value. Our payment is what we're going to find. Future value, we're drawing down until it's run out, so that's a 0. We're getting 52 payments every year and it's compounding quarterly. We come over and we need to pop that into our calculator. So I've already done that. We can see we're solving for PMT. One trick when we're doing future value annuities. In the top right corner of your calculator, it's set to end. We need to change this to beginning. And the way I like to think about it is that if you need to live off the money, you need to withdraw money at the beginning of the month. If you don't withdraw the money at the beginning, you won't have any money to live off at the start. So you need to change it to beginning, and we do that by pressing Shift menu and changing it from end to beginning by pressing F1. Exit out of that, solve for PMT, and we can have $774.45 every week for 40 years. One more example. Heather achieves a target of having $700,000. Let's fill them in as we go. She's saved $700,000, so she's put it into an account. She has negative $700. She rolls it into an annuity account, which means it's an account that earns interest as you withdraw from it. It's earning 4.85% interest, compounding monthly. How long will Heather's money last? If she withdraws $4,000, so she wants to withdraw it, so it's going to come back to her. It's going to be a positive number. She's drawing it right down to 0, and she's doing it monthly. So N is the one that we're trying to find. Exit out of this. We're trying to find N, so I'm going to set that at 0, 4.85. Present value, she's put $700 in the bank. She's withdrawing $4,000 until it's all gone, and PY and CY are both 12. Because she's withdrawing the money, it's set to BGN, set to the beginning, and we are going to solve for N. We can see that N is equal to 302.2 months, and you can convert that back to years. We're not going to do part B. How much would she withdraw per month if she wanted to last for 30 years? That's solving for PMT, and you know how to do that. Good luck.